Hi, my name is Robbie Smets, here today on the BEGLEC and Hit Music booth on ISE 2025 to present you one of our latest innovations, the BTI-Blizzard-Wash2. The bigger brother of our well-known BTI-Blizzard-Wash1, now with 19 times 50 watts RGB lime LEDs and added LED mask with multiple animations and pixel control, as well as the outside LED ring. The fixture itself is fast, has great color control, is very stable, and is really light. You can find this product and many more at our website, briteqlighting.com.